Bye. Hey! What's up, you guys? Today I'm going to be creating Nicki Makeup's makeup look that she created on Kim Kardashian the other day. I've always been a huge fan of her, and now I'm going to recreate the look. I'm gonna start with the Becca Skin Love, and this is in the color Maple. I am using my Sephora Collection Pro Sculpting Blush brush, and I'm just gonna see how that goes. Okay, this looks like a pretty good shade. It's a little warm, but I don't mind it at all, so we're gonna go with that. I'm just gonna apply this all over. You see, I'm using this brush, and this is meant to be a blush brush, but I really like it as foundation. I don't get a lot of product on the brush because it is kind of fluffy, so I get like a nice even base, and I don't have to like overdo. I don't look overdone. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna be trying out, this is my first time actually trying this out on camera and actually doing my whole makeup, because I just tested it out at work. This is the YSL Touche High Cover Radiant Concealer. So I'm gonna try that. Damn, I got it in a dark shade. Damn, I can't use this. I'm gonna just use it to like correct my dark circles, and then I'll go in with a lighter concealer because I like to brighten under the eyes. I forgot, like when they gave us this, it was in the summer. I'm gonna just use a little bit of warm beige. Whoa, that shit is bright. Okay, now to just sink all that in. Damn, I forgot. Oh, I'm forgetting a lot of things. To bronze up and contour the face, I'm using my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation in 11.75. I'm just gonna use, I have so many foundations for summertime, so for now I'm gonna just use all my dark shades as a contour because I don't want them to expire. And I got all these luxury brands, so why not be bougie? Now I'm gonna blend it out. I'm gonna blend out the concealer with my beauty blender. Okay, now I'm gonna use my Huda Beauty powder in Blondie, and I'm applying that with my Real Techniques setting powder brush. To set my entire face, I'm gonna use my Sephora Collection powder in this is the new one, in 56. I'm gonna just use the same. I'm gonna use the same Real Techniques brush because all my other brushes are dirty. All right, now we're gonna bronze up and contour, but very lightly. I don't want it to be anything super crazy. I'm gonna use my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deepest. Okay, so now I'm gonna set the face. I'm using my Versali Rose Gold Skin Mist. Put a little bit more on this one. I'm going to be using my Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Prosecco Pop. with a Morphe highlighter brush. This is M501. I'm just gonna swirl this around on my hand. I'm gonna put it right here. Woo! Beach. For my blush, I'm gonna use Milani Rose de Oro. This is just an old ass Rite Aid brush. Okay, so I'm gonna use this one down here. It's like a burnt orange, but a pastel orange with a Morphe M433, I believe, or R something. Oh wait, let me zoom you guys in. So sorry. The next shadow I'm gonna use is Thorn with a Morphe M506 brush. This is a Morphe M514. It doesn't have any product on it. I'm just using this brush to blend out any harsh edges. I'm gonna cut my crease with that same Too Faced concealer that I used earlier, and I'm gonna use a it's a Sonia Kashuk brush, but it looks like that. The number isn't there. I'm gonna mix two colors now. I don't have like, see, because the color that she has, it is very pale, but you can tell it's like a very pale taupe. So I'm gonna mix maybe like one of these two, and I'm gonna go in with my Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette, and I'm gonna mix it with Suede, because this is like the only like taupe color that I have. I'm gonna use my Anastasia Jet Liner angled eyeliner brush. So now she also has a graphic liner on the crease. I'm gonna do that now. I'm so sorry, you guys, my camera overheated. So I just did the line going across the crease. Now I'm gonna smoke out my lower lash line. I'm gonna be using two of the same brushes. I'll be using my Sephora Collection Precision brush. I'm gonna go in with Thorn from the Natasha Denona palette. I usually bring my eyeshadows really low, but this time I'm gonna try my best to keep it really tight on the lash line. I usually just drag it all down here, but I'm just gonna leave it like this. Now I'm going in with Shea. That's just the darkest brown in the palette. Now with another brush, I'm gonna apply a black shadow only on really close. She has white eyeliner in her inner corner, so I'm gonna use my Sephora Collection Ultimate Beige, Infinite Beige in my waterline. This is really hard for me to do on camera, so I'll be right back. I'm gonna apply some lashes also, and then I'm just gonna show you the lip. Do you see that shit? The hard work, the hard work that I put into this eye makeup. And look at this. Wow. Wow. I need to hurry up because my niece is coming. I gotta watch her really quick. So she had a really nude peachy lip. And you know damn well I can't do that because I'm a chocolate girl. A little caramelito. I need to do a brown liner. This is MAC's lip liner in chestnut. Yeah. I'm gonna use Huda Beauty's Bombshell. I think I just want to focus this on the outer corners. No, I'm gonna just put it all over because I do want to cover the brown liner a bit. I'm gonna use my MAC lip liner in Etc. and just lighten it because this is more of like a pale peach and the Bombshell was like a warm peach. Gloss I'm gonna use, should I use this pomegranate one? I'm gonna use my Too Faced Lip Injections Extreme because this gives like a really pretty shine. Oh wait, I'm bugging. I'm gonna take Moon Dust and I'm gonna put that in my inner corners. How can I forget the inner corner? Okay, now we're done. There we go. Now everything, I'm like, something was off, something was missing. But yes, this is the finished look, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you can, leave a beautiful positive comment down below. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and give me a thumbs up if you liked it. I'll see you guys soon.
Yeah, bitch, I'm a cow, bitch, I'm a cow.